Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain and assist you with a question similar to your homework problem where you're given again this picture similar right here where the one in red is f, the graph in blue is the function for g, where and g is the transformation of f. So we're getting this red one and creating this blue one by moving this to that position. So we want to write the equation of g in terms of f. So ultimately, our job is to identify what the value of our horizontal shift will be and our vertical shift. We can achieve that objective by simply identifying a point on the red graph and identify the corresponding position on the blue graph. So now the only problem would be is to use like a point here or any other pretty point and try to identify where that's going to correspond to there. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. My my opinion is to look at a point again that's obviously on both graphs, like this one right here. It's obvious to see that this point corresponds to that point right there and not any other point. So always use that point similar again, or same concept with any other graph where you have to identify what the rule is and how the graph is shifting from one location to another and sliding again from one position to the other. So here, since we want to go from the red to the blue, we are translating this red graph in a positive direction first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units to the right and 3 units upwards. So the formula for g in terms of f would be that g of x is equal to f of x shifted 4 units to the right. So that would mean that we're going to write x minus 4 in order to indicate that we're going to move to the right 4 units. And up 3 means plus 3 on the outside right there for k. So plugging in those values, this is what the graph will look like. I'm sorry, this is what the equation is. And just to remind you, again, why is this minus 4? Because again, that's what's happening when we do horizontal shifts, is the opposite direction, because the normal notation is that we're always subtracting that horizontal direction. And it's because we're subtracting a positive value that is going to end up looking like a minus positive 4. So this will result in a direction to the right. If I had accidentally put positive 4, that is not a direction to the right. That's actually the opposite direction. That will slide again the graph 4 units to the left. But there you have your answer. I appreciate you watching, and I do hope this video was helpful to answer the questions similar to your homework.